Did you know that 70% of all books are never actually read? If you ever question the power of self-publishing, prepare to be amazed. Today, we're diving into self-publishing success, how to dominate Amazon KDP in 2024. Let's dive into the story of Mike and how he mastered his niche. Mike was a first-time author who was passionate about healthy eating. He knew that understanding his audience was crucial, so he spent hours researching his niche, which is plant-based diets. Mike's secret weapon was knowing not just what his readers wanted, but what they valued and how they communicated. So, how can you apply Mike's strategy to your own self-publishing journey? Do a deep dive research. Use tools like Google Trends and social media groups to identify popular topics and pain points in your niche. Learn about your audience. Know their values, language, and the nuances that make your niche unique. For example, Mike learned that his audience values simplicity and quick recipes. Create valuable content. Tailor your book to meet these specific needs. For example, Mike created a 30-minute plant-based meals. Dive deep into forums, Facebook groups, and Reddit communities related to your niche to understand common pain points and interests. Create reader personas to better understand your target audience, demographics, preferences, and buying behaviors. Continuously monitor trends and audience feedback to adapt and refine your content strategy over time. Mike's understanding of his niche allowed him to create a book that resonated deeply with his audience. This is how you can use niche research to dominate KDP. Speaking of mastering niches, once I've gained your trust, check out my Udemy course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. The link's at the top of the description. Now, let's move on to our next story. Introducing the story of Desmond and his review analysis. Desmond was an aspiring author who wanted to write a gratitude journal. Instead of jumping straight into writing, he studied the reviews of the best-selling journals in his category. He looked for what readers appreciated and what they felt was missing. Desmond's approach is something every self-publisher can benefit from. Here's how you can implement his strategy. Analyze reviews. Study the positive and negative reviews of top books in your category. Identify what readers love and what they criticize. Identify gaps within the market. Create a book that addresses those gaps. Desmond noticed that readers wanted more guided prompts and space for reflections, so he included these in his journal. Highlight benefits. Use the insights from reviews to craft your title, subtitle, and book cover. Desmond's title emphasized daily guided prompts for personal growth, making his journal stand out. Utilize Amazon's customer reviews and ratings to analyze what readers appreciate and criticize about top-selling books in your category. Look beyond Amazon. Browse around social media platforms to get a broader range of readers' perspectives. Create a spreadsheet to categorize and analyze review data systematically. Note recurring themes, positive feedback, and areas for improvement. Incorporate constructive feedback into your book's content, cover design, and marketing materials to address readers' concerns and enhance appeal. Regularly update your book based on ongoing reviews and feedback to ensure it meets evolving readers' expectations. You see, Desmond also created a moat around his book by ensuring his journal offered unique features not found in his competitors. This strategy can help you create a standout book on KDP. You see, Desmond's story shows the power of leveraging reader feedback. Now let's look at how a deeper understanding of copywriting, design, and algorithms can skyrocket your success. Introducing the story of Amina and her strategic mastery. Amina, an author with a background in marketing, knew the importance of copywriting and design. She researched the most effective principles and applied them to her KDP strategy. So how can you take a page from Amina's book and boost your KDP success? You can read books like The Copywriter's Handbook by Robert Bly to learn how to write compelling titles and descriptions. Learn about visual design principles by reading books like The Non-Designer's Design Book by Robin Williams. To get a basic understanding of Amazon's algorithm, you can read a book titled Amazon Decoded by David Goggin and then cross-reference the info within that book within your niche. Familiarize yourself with basic design principles like typography, color psychology, and layout techniques to guide your book's cover design. Even if you cannot design book covers yourself, it's still a good idea to understand these principles so when you outsource your book cover design, you can communicate what you want and you have a framework to go by when analyzing your book covers. You see, by mastering these areas, Amina created a book that was not only attractive, but also easy to find on Amazon. This strategic approach can give you an edge over your competitors. Now that we've heard these incredible stories, let's recap the key points and see how you can implement these strategies in your own self-publishing journey. Understand and cater to your audience the same way that Mike catered to his audience. Use reviews to refine your product and marketing, just like Desmond. Apply copywriting, design, and algorithm strategies, just like Amina. These principles are essential for any aspiring author on Amazon KDP. They provide a roadmap to not just publish, but to dominate your niche. Subscribe to my channel for concise, actionable KDP strategies that are designed for maximum learner retention. Empower your self-publishing journey with story-driven insights and gain a strategic advantage in your genre. So which strategy do you think you will have the biggest impact on your self-publishing journey? Niche research, review analysis, or mastering copywriting and design? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time.